Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can redeem code in 99 nights in the Forest game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have already joined the 99 nights in the Forest game and I'm going to show you how you can redeem a code. So guys, you can go to this menu and then you're going to click on codes. Okay, and then here you can enter the code. And the first one, I'm going to enter Happy Halloween, which can give us 10 candies. Okay, and then we can click on Submit to redeem the code. And I have already redeemed this code. I got 10 candies. And as you can see that the code already redeemed. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to type in after party. Oops. Okay, and yeah, the code already redeemed. I have just redeemed this code. Okay guys, and that's how you can redeem code in 99 nights in the Forest game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.